Sunlit and spacious with panoramic views, Suite 2128 in 75 Bamburgh Circle offers over 1,200 square feet of bright and open space in a luxury Tridel complex with extensive amenities in a central location with groceries, transit, schools, and parks just steps away. Walking into this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo, you're greeted by a proper entranceway with a double closet, ceramic flooring, and access to the laundry area before the expansive open concept layout unfolds before you. The large living and dining areas have soaring northwest views, laminate flooring, and updated lighting, and are big enough to host friends and family with lots of space to bring comfortable house-sized furniture and the big screen TV. The adjoining Solarium Ardennes is your peaceful oasis to enjoy all year long with west views and spectacular sunsets. Imagine enjoying the beauty every season from this comfortable space, admiring the autumn colors, the snow falling softly on treetops in the winter, and the lush green of spring and summer. This room with laminate flooring makes a perfect work from home space. The updated kitchen has ample counter and cabinet space and updated granite countertops with double undermount sink. There is a stylish stone backsplash and a sunny eating area with west views. The split bedroom plan provides a lot of privacy. The primary bedroom has laminate flooring, a walk-in closet, and updated full bathroom with granite countertops. The second bedroom fits a large bedroom suite and is located on the opposite side of the suite and has laminate flooring and a double closet. The ensuite laundry area has lots of room for storage and updated front-loading machines. Bridlewood Place is a luxury complex built by Tridel with gatehouse security and extensive amenities including a party room, gym, library, indoor and outdoor pools, tennis and badminton courts, a car wash and more, suiting downsizers, singles, and families alike. The location is ideal. You can walk to highly rated schools, groceries, shopping, with easy access to the TTC and the 404 and 407 highways. For more information on this spacious suite, call or text us at 416-888-5640, email us at info@walkerparker.ca, or visit us online at walkerparker.ca.